So the curve what we are going to discuss in this class is parabola. Fitting up a parabola or second degree curve. Y is equal to a plus bx plus c into x square. So, but according to your syllabus, this is a curve you required here. Y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. But you need to remember this normal equations instead of this. Now, what is the difference between these two? Y, a plus bx plus cx square. Now, observe this curve. Y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Here, the x square coefficient is c. Here, the x square coefficient is a. And a constant coefficient is a. ಇಲ್ಲಿ constant is c. And even in the normal equations also, you need to interchange the role of a and c. That's it. Interchange the role of a and c. So if you remember any one formula properly, suppose assume that if you are remembering the curve y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Very very easy to remember the curve. I mean the normal equations to find the values of a, b, c. Sigma y, you need to remember the first curve properly. Sigma y na plus b sigma x plus c into sigma x square. This is the one equation you are supposed to be remember. Now, if you multiply this with x, then so x into y will get a into x. This is b into sigma x square, c into sigma x cube. Not only it is x square, then becomes x cube. X becomes x square. X y becomes x into y. Now instead of n a, you will get a into sigma x. If you multiply this with once again with x, then you will get the next curve x square y, x a into sigma x square, b into sigma x cube, c into x power 4. These are the normal equations. Now, if the curve is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then what we are supposed to be taking here? Instead of a, you need to replace that with c. Instead of c, you need to replace that with a. That's it. Interchange the role of a and c. This is a procedure that depends on the curve, whether it is the a plus bx plus cx square or ax square plus bx plus c. But you are not supposed to be take this curve. This is the curve you are supposed to be remember for your examination point of view. Now, the first problem, fit a second degree curve y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c to the following data. The values of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y values 1, 1.8, 1.3, 2.5 and 6.3. So once again the procedure is first you need to write down the normal equations. So first write down the normal equations. Once if you write the normal equations, then you will come to know what are the columns you are supposed to be required and what are the summation you required. According to that, we need to prepare a table here. So first we required sigma x, sigma y. That is a mandatory, these two. Then observe the values of x square is there, x cube is there, x power 4 is there. That's why you prepare a column for x square, x cube, x power 4. Coming with the left hand side of the normal equations, x into y, x square y, x into y, x square y. Once if you write the normal equations, then only you will come to know what are the columns you are supposed to be required. Now prepare a columns of x. Now the x value, y value, x square, x cube, x power 4 and x into y, x square into y. So according to the x and based on x and y, you need to prepare all the columns here and you need to take down the summation of this entire values. Once if you come to know the summation value, substitute these summation values in the normal equations. So the value of n is number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is equal to 5. So nc 5c plus b into sigma x plus a into sigma x square is equal to sigma y. Sigma y value is 12.9 here. Second equation sigma xy 37.1. 37.1 and c sigma x. We substitute all the values here. You will get here a equation, three equations along with the three unknowns. You'll get three equations along with the three unknowns. Now, once again, no need to simplify this manually. Use calci, go for equation mode. Now take down three unknowns, three equations with the three unknowns if you choose, and if you simplify, and you will get the three values here. That is the values of A, B, C. But you are supposed to be careful, since the first term, first unknown what we are taking here, C. The first term, first solution what we are getting, that is a C value. Then the second value what we are getting, that is a B value. The next value is a A. Like this, we will get the values of C, B, and A. C value is 1.42, and B is minus 1.07, and A value is 0.055. So once if you get the values of A, B, C, substitute that value in the curve y is equal to A x square bx plus C. That's it. This is a required solution for the given data. This is a very, very important. A into x power b as well as the parabola. These two are very, very important as the examination point of view. Now let us see the second question here. The second question is also, fit a curve is of the form ax square plus bx plus c given. One x value is 1 to 5 and corresponding y values they are given. So first you are supposed to be read on the normal equations. First write on the normal equations. Once if you write the normal equations, then you will come to know what are the columns we need to prepare. According to that, we need to prepare the columns. So the columns what we require here is sigma x, sigma y, x square, x cube, x power 4, x into y, and x square y. Hope everybody know how to prepare a table values here. And once if you prepare, then you will take the summation of this entire values. So once if you get the summation values, substitute that values in the normal equations. Normal equations substitute ಮಾಡಿ, then you will get the three unknowns with the three equations. So then solve these three equations by using calci. Once if you solve by using three unknowns, by taking three unknowns in your calci, you will get the first term what we are getting as a C, the second term as a B, and the third term as what we are getting as a A. This is the values of C, A, B. Once if you get the values of A, B, C, substitute in that values in the given equation. That is the final answer. Similarly, try to solve the remaining problem also. See, the question number 5 is a very, very important. 4 and 5 are very, very important, since the values of x is having minus sign, minus 2, minus 1 antidiala. So maximum students what they did the mistake here is, while taking x square, they are going to take minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square anta tagondre, then we'll get plus 4. If you by mistake, if you take as minus 2 square, the square is applicable for only 2, that is not applicable for minus sign. That's why you'll get minus 4. So be careful if the value of x is having a minus sign. X square, x value is a minus 2, x square means minus 2 whole square. Then it is a minus 2 whole cube. Then once again you will get minus sign here, minus power 3. Like this, very, very important if the given problem is having a minus sign. And just I given the answers also, try to solve the remaining three more questions. That's it. Thank you.